Where's the koi fish? I want to capture koi fish.
They're usually right here. You see,
But you can't see them.
You can see them at night, yeah.
Koi fish. Koi fish.
Over here?
Look for the fishes. Like the big one.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, daytime you can see it.
That's koi fish.
It's like a goldfish, but big. A goldfish.
Oh, goldfish, yes. Man, it's been a while I haven't come here.
Remember? Like that picture I took. I remember when I was
Huh? Yeah, they were different. Oh, no,